soul. Let's start with the Divali poem compiled by Miss Anusha and read by Samya.
Darkness is but the absence of light, but the darkness of ignorance brings pain and strife. We trip, we fall, we hurt, we fight, until the candles in our hearts alight. Today is the festival of lights all over, a joyful day for minds and hearts and souls. And people throng the temples to offer prayers, resolving to take better roles. Anger, we trade for peace. Hate, we trade for love. Guilt finds solace in forgiveness, rendered with the purity of a dove. Today is the triumph of good over bad. We walk ahead well-clad and clean, and eat such foods and sweets with mirth. Whilst noisy crackers burst, their lights are seen. True joy is when you see another smile. True charity gives joy in heavenly style. Such is the message of this festival so bright, leading our way from darkness to light.